Hello America, Mark.Kelson here today, beautiful Junction City, Oregon at Guaranty RV to present to you this 2020 Spirit by Winnebago. It's a 22M model, very compact. Let's go in and look at it. Coming inside, nice tones, earth tone colors. You do have the booth, wraparound booth in this. This is great for one or two people, or if you got grandkids, take your grandkids with you. Wraparound booth, dual sink over here. You're going to have nice cabinets up above. Look at the colors, isn't that great? It's neutral, looks beautiful. You do have the full stove right here. 3 burner, cooktop, little microwave right here, cook some popcorn or whatever you want to eat. Coming back here, refrigerator and freezer by Norcold. Coming right back here is your bathroom, right here in the corner. A lot of room in there, big shower, nice light, move around really well in there. Now coming right here is your fold-up bed, your emergency exit back here, windows on either side, slide out comes in. This will fold up on top of each other, works really well. I don't know if you can see this back here, but this is a huge wardrobe, and you can access it from here or right here also. But nice compact unit. Now going up front, you're on the Ford chassis. This is a coach that's under 24 feet. So you're looking at 305 horsepower in this coach. Just wonderful. You got everything at the touch of a button right there. Cruise control, everything you need. Your backup camera right there. CD player. Nice accents. You have a bed up top for if you have people coming over. You want to stay with you or grandkids. Just really cool. And you got these nice big cabinets up here for all your kitchen stuff when you want to put it away. Let's go outside and see what it has to offer on the outside. So this Spirit features full body paint. One thing that it does have is this huge awning right here. It goes the length of the coach so you can pull it out when you have guests over. You can get this almost anywhere. Coming to the back, backup camera, ladder accessing the top, your tow hitch. You've got it all in here. It's all self-enclosed. Nice big slide, but you can get under it nice and easy right here. And you get at your storage. All your water hookups, your cables, your black flush tank. Here's your water heater, a little bit more storage. Here you're going to have your generator, I believe, right here. Yeah, there it is. It's a 4000. It's an Awning by Cummins. Nice little generator. Service all your needs. Side cameras on this coach also. Huge. Tell you what, it's on the E450 chassis. If this coach is of interest to you or any of the coaches we have here, please give me a call, Mark.Kelson, 541-285-8791, or the Guaranty number at the bottom of your screen. Thank you so much for watching.